In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Slack channel messages to Google Sheets. This is a simple and practical automation that helps you archive important conversations, collect feedback, track bug reports, or save task-related messages without having to copy and paste anything manually. We'll be using Zapier to connect Slack and Google Sheets so that new messages from a channel are added to a spreadsheet automatically in real time. To get started, the first thing you need to do is prepare your Google Sheet. Open Google Sheets in your browser and create a blank spreadsheet. Give it a clear name such as Slack Message Archive so it's easy to recognize later when you connect it inside Zapier. In the very first row, set up your column headers exactly as needed. In column A, type timestamp. In column B, type username. In column C, type message text. In column D, type channel name. These headers are important because Zapier will use them when sending the Slack data into the correct columns. Once your spreadsheet is ready, move over to Zapier. Log into your Zapier account or create a free account if you don't already have one. From your dashboard, click the Create Zap button. This is where you'll build the automation. For the Trigger app, search for Slack and select it. Then, in the Event dropdown, choose New Message Posted to Channel and continue. After that, connect your Slack account, select the specific channel you want to monitor, and run the trigger test. This test pulls in a sample message so you can use real Slack data while setting everything up. Next, you'll configure the action step. In the action block below the trigger, search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row, then Continue. Connect your Google account so Zapier can access your spreadsheet. After that, choose My Google Drive as the drive, select the spreadsheet you created earlier, and make sure the worksheet is set to Sheet 1. Now it's time to map your data fields. Zapier will show the columns from your sheet and you'll match each one with the correct Slack value. For timestamp, select T's or message timestamp. For username, choose user real name or username. For message text, select text. For channel name, select channel name. When that's done, click Test Step. Then open your Google Sheet and confirm that the sample message appears correctly across the row. If everything looks good, click Publish to turn on your Zap. From that point on, every new message in that Slack channel will be sent straight into your spreadsheet automatically. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.